Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
हम आपको सर अरेस्ट करते हैं, अरेस्ट करके सकते हैं।
Amidst outrage over Uttar Pradesh Hathras gang rape, key institutions to safeguard interest of Dalit are headless both in UP and at the centre. The gang rape of a Dalit girl in Hathras has sparked massive outrage, with Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath coming under fire from the opposition. In fact, Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra were on their way on Thursday to meet the family members in Hathras. However, they were stopped at the Yamuna Expressway itself. In fact, Rahul Gandhi was later detained by the police. But did you know that the key bodies that are meant to safeguard rights and look into complaints of Dalits and tribals have been without crucial office bearers at both the centre and in Uttar Pradesh too, where the incident took place? While the National Commission for Scheduled Caste has been without a chairman and other members for 4 months, SC/ST Commission, which is meant to safeguard rights of Dalits and tribals in Uttar Pradesh, has also been headless for at least 10 months now. Not only this, the National Commission for Tribals is also headless. The job of these commission is not only meant to safeguard the rights of the SC and Dalit communities, but also inquire into specific complaints concerning the deprivation of their rights. The commission is important and significant as it takes up issues related to the SC atrocity, and action taken reports are also sought. BJP leader and former MP Ram Shankar Katheria served as the chairperson, and L. Murugan, the party's Tamil Nadu unit chief now, was the vice chairperson, and their tenure ended in May this year. Similarly, in Uttar Pradesh, the Uttar Pradesh SC/ST Commission has been without a chairman for the past 10 months, as former Director General of Police Brij Lal, who headed the commission earlier, retired in November 2019. Speaking to the print, former National SC Commission Chairman P.L. Punya told the print, and I quote, "Had the government been serious, they would have started the process of appointment even before the tenure of the commission was ending. This shows their intent and anti-Dalit attitude of the Modi government." He also said that this is a medium for the SC community to get their grievances addressed, but for the Modi government, these people don't matter. He went on to say they rather want that institutional authorities should be as less as possible. Not only the SC Commission, he also said the ST Commission has been headless too. As per media reports, National Crime Records Bureau reveals an overall increase in crime against Dalits, with Uttar Pradesh recording the highest number of crimes against the SC population. Data also shows that crime against scheduled caste people increased by over 7% and by 26% against scheduled tribe people in 2019 as compared to 2018. Almost 46,000 cases were registered for committing crime against scheduled caste community, with Uttar Pradesh recording the highest number of such cases at 11,829 cases. The Hathras case has snowballed into a major political controversy, with the opposition trying to corner the Modi government. The government, on the other hand, especially Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has always emphasized the welfare measures and all kind of decision that his government has taken for the SC community. How exactly is the government now going to tackle this is something that will be interesting to watch. This is Neelam Pandey for The Print. Keep following our YouTube channel for more updates.